Welcome to Blazing Gamer, and in this video I'll be showing you how to set up a modern OpenGL environment in Visual Studio 2017. We'll be setting up the same environment as shown in learnopengl.com, which is a great website to learn modern OpenGL. It also has an offline ebook which you can download and read at your own pace. So first we'll be downloading the GLFW and the GLAD libraries. So head over to the GLFW download page and download whichever version you want, 32-bit or the 64-bit. You can also get the source code from GitHub, which you can compile yourself for your system using CMake. After you have downloaded these two, just copy the whichever version you want. I'll be showing you both 64-bit and 32-bit. Copy the GLFW folder inside the include folder to a new folder that you may create like this, which will have both the header files, and also copy the library. We'll be using VS2017 since we are developing in Visual Studio 2017. Copy these two library files to a library folder like this. Next we'll download GLAD, so head over to the download website for GLAD. Choose language C++, the API GL 4.6, which is the latest at the time of recording, and the profile as core. Make sure generate a loader is ticked and just generate it, and it will give you a zip bundle which you may extract, and this zip bundle will be same for both 32-bit and 64-bit. So just extract it to the same dependency folder that you created. Next, you'll need the OpenGL 32 library, which is under program files 86, Windows Kits 10, library, the latest Windows Kit you have on your system, under the folder, and depending whether you want to target 64-bit or 32-bit platform, you go into the folder and just here you'll find the OpenGL 32 library. Just copy it to the library folder of the dependency folder you just created. Now you have everything you need to set up an OpenGL development environment. So open your Visual Studio. Create a new project. Make sure it's an empty C++ project. Call it whatever you want. Okay. Once the project is created, open it in the File Explorer and copy the dependency folder that you created into it. Okay. Now head back into Visual Studio and go to the properties of the project, not the solution, and under VC++ directories, under the include directories, push the drop down and press edit, and you may press the new line command and just browse to the include. Then for GLAD, just select the folder in which you have the GLAD, all these files. Select this folder. Also add the OpenGL dependency 64 and GLFW folder like this. Okay, and press OK. So I just added this for the 32-bit configuration. You'll have to do the same for 64-bit configuration also. And under libraries folder, edit, add OpenGL. I guess I added the 64-bit and 32-bit. I'll just change that. Okay, once you are done here, you go to Linker, General, and under additional library directories, you press edit, and select the same libraries folder. Okay, also you go to the input, these additional dependencies, you press edit and you add the library names, which are these three names. So like it would be GLFW3, GLFW3DLL, let me just cross check that. Okay, then just press OK and click apply. And just see all your settings are saved. In the source file, just add a main CPP file. Okay. Now after adding the main CPP file, you may get this C++ option also in properties, and you may do the similar include directories for this also. GLFW glad select folder new. Okay, now you have done everything you need for 32-bit development. You can do the same for 64-bit also, and to check whether this works or not, we can just copy this code, which is the basic window creation code from Learn OpenGL. Just don't copy these two because you'll have to specify the path for includes yourself. We'll just copy this and we'll do an include. It's this dependency core. It's under x86. Be sure to include glad before GLFW, otherwise it just complains about OpenGL being included twice. And we'll do another include. Go on with the OpenGL dependency core under x86 under GLFW and include the GLFW3. Next, you can copy the code, just paste the code, and the only errors it's giving it's about the spelling mistake, and I don't think you'll find any errors in here, so just run this. Yeah, I forgot one thing. For glad to run, you need to include the glad.c file to your project. So just add an existing item, and under OpenGL dependencies x86 glad, there will be a glad.c file. Just add it to your project, and you must store it under a dependency folder. It won't matter. So just run now, and you'll get a basic OpenGL window. As you can see, you have successfully set up an OpenGL development environment. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, and if you have any problem, just leave it down in the comments and show your support by subscribing. Thank you.